Mac again. Check out his channel. It's called Modern. If you want to search for it, it's going to be at modern-i3u. He is going to be playing this game with me. He is also streaming under Random Guy 2023, right?
Yep, 2023.
So that is who he is, and I have no clue what this game is.
Okay, come here.
Enlighten me.
So, what we can do is...
Enlighten me.
Go this way.
Is it a good idea for first person?
So, hurry. Click join queue. Okay, so, this will start in 20 seconds. All we gotta do...
Shoot each other in the face.
Not that, but we can...
Oh.
This is basically Russian roulette.
So shoot each other in the face.
Yeah, well, blackjack. So, this guy right here will be doing...
Is it Russian roulette or blackjack? These are completely different things.
It's kind of both. Oh no, wait a minute. There's NPCs here. Oh,
This is buckshot roulette, isn't it?
Almost shotgun roulette. Oh, wait a minute. It goes in turns.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
Oh, 2 live rounds, 1 black.
Ooh, I got an idea. How do I tell them to hit me?
Wait. We should be able to do this.
I don't get it.
Oh wait, it goes in a circle. Oh, so it goes in a circle. Oh, now it's you. I would recommend you don't shoot me, but shoot the person next to you. He's been hit at least once. No!
I just saved your life, dude.
You did. It was a blank.
Exactly, that's why I'm saying I saved your life. If he already shot twice.
Oh wait, it's not in it.
I know what I'm doing.
Oh, this guy's really doing something.
I've been hit, I think.
He didn't shoot you.
Oh, then why did I see blood on my screen?
Reroll card. How's that guy not dead? Stream. The reflect card.
I just have a plus and a minus, and it's 1. What's that mean?
I have a vampire card.
Shoot me. Shoot me. If I did the math correctly, I should survive. This is blank. You shot yourself, didn't you?
Yep.
Freak you! I told you to shoot me.
It was a blank! No! Wait, 3 blanks, 1 live.
You hit me, dude. Whoever does it, hit me.
Oh,
I have that. I have that, whatever that is. Huh.
Yeah, you got hit. I don't know if I have... Oh.
Someone just disappeared. Is that normal?
Weird.
Shoot me. Someone shoot me. Ah.
He just killed the guy next to you.
I'm alive. I don't care.
You survived. Oh, he just killed another guy.
But there was only one shot. If you get it, Mac, you need to shoot yourself or me.
Oh. That's...
Why are they just disappearing? Is that normal?
Vanish cards. This isn't the game I was thinking of, though.
This is essentially buckshot roulette.
There was a better one. Buckshot roulette is a lot better.
Yeah, because that's the real game.
Or no, shotgun roulette, because there's another one with multiplayer. That'll be fun. Oh,
Ooh.
wait. 3 lives?
1 blank. Why do you even know when it's your
Wait, this
turn?
guy's directly in front of me. He's gonna shoot me. Oh, he's not good.
Oh, of course.
That saved me.
He's gonna. This guy's
Why is
gonna.
this man pick? Whoa.
Ha!
Oh. I don't know if you want to shoot me.
If I'm totally honest, I did that. If I'm totally honest, I did that on purpose.
Crap.
I did that on purpose.
I'm at 68.
I'm sorry. I'm not really. I did that on purpose. Shoot me! Do it. Was it really a blank?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it a blank? There were so many live rounds.
It was a blank. How's it work?
There's like a lot of live rounds. How's that even possible? Thank you. Kill the man. No, not me. We're directly across from me. I'm alive.
2 blank, 1 live. That's a gamble. That's quite the gamble.
Not really.
Ooh. You got the only live
Unluckiest man alive. Alright?
for real. Look at this dude.
Oh!
What?
That's a lot. That's a lot.
What is that? I'd recommend you don't shoot me.
I won't, I promise.
We kill everyone else right.
Someone shot me.
Shoot that guy next to you. He was the one who shot you.
I might.
Just shoot him.
Wait.
There's like a 90% chance it's a freaking live.
What? What happened? I was trying to go back and use my card, whatever that does. I wanted to see what it does.
You want to do a different? Do you want to do Buckshot Duet?
I said one video game! I need to get a video out!
You want to do that? Because, I mean, if you want to.
What I want to do is get one video out. I'm totally honest.
You know what? Buckshot Duet sounds a lot of fun. A lot more fun. And I mean, a freaking NPC game. So I was really thinking this working.
Fine. I'll do it at the end of this. I'll do it. So
This is the video. This is the game we're actually doing.
I will see you guys later in the next video.
Which game is it that was multiplayer?
I don't know. You're the one who's telling me about it. I'll see you guys in the next video and see you next time. Check out Modern. Bye.